Welcome students to Sneha Coaching Academy. Hello friends, today our topic is linear equation in two variables. Now what is linear equation? Linear equation is equation which has two variables and degree of each variable is 1. Suppose we take two variables x and y. Both degree of both variables should be 1. So the equation which has two variables whose degree should be 1, such equation is known as linear equation. Now ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Ax plus by plus c equals to 0. This is the general form of linear equation. Now let's see some example, that is 2x plus 3y plus 2 is equals to 0, 3x plus 4y square is equals to 3. Now linear equation is the equation which has two variables, right? And degree of each variable should be 1. Degree is important. So here we can see there are two variables x and y. Degree of both the variable is 1. Degree of both the variable is 1. So this will be the linear equation. Here we can see the degree of x is 1 but the degree of y is 2. So this cannot be the linear equation. Now let's see how to solve the simultaneous equations. Suppose there are two equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. Now consider a1, a2, b1, b2. You have to see the constants a1, a2, b1 and b2. Compare a1, a2 and b1, b2. You have to compare a1 with a2 or b1 with b2. If a1 is equals to a2 or b1 is equals to b2. To compare a1, a2 and b1, b2, you have to see if a1 is equals to a2 or b1 is equals to b2. If any of a1, a2 or b1, b2 are same, then we will see the sign of both a1, a2 or b1, b2 that are same. If signs are same, that is both are plus or both are minus. If both are plus or both are minus, so we will subtract the equations. We will subtract a1x plus b1y plus c1 from a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. We will subtract both the equations if the sign are same for a1, a2 or b1, b2. Okay, next, if sign are different. If sign are different, that is for one equation it is for a1 it is plus and for a2 it is minus, or for b1 it is minus, b2 it is plus. If the sign are different, then we are gonna add the equations. Then we will be adding both the equations. Now let's see example. 5x plus 3y is equals to 9 and 2x minus 3y is equals to 12. First we will compare a1, a2 or b1, b2. Here a1 is 5 and a2 is 2. They are not equal. So we will compare b1 and b2. b1 is 3 and b2 is also 3. So the numbers are same. Condition is b1 is equals to b2. Now we have to see the sign. If signs are same, we will subtract. If signs are different, we will add. Now here it is plus 3, here it is minus 3. So what we have to do when signs are different, we have to add the equations. So we will add both the equations. 5x plus 2x will be 7x plus 3x minus plus 3y minus 3y get cancelled. So that will be 0, which is equals to 9 plus 12 will be 21. 7x equals to 21. X will be equals to 21 upon 7. So our value of x will be 7 3s as 21. So value of x will be 3. Now put the value of x in any one of the equations. Suppose this is first equation and this is second. I am putting the value of x in first equation. So 5 into x, value of x is 3 plus 3y is equals to 9. 5 3s is 15 plus 3y is equals to 9. Now plus 15 if we send it to RHS side, that will be minus 15. So 3y will be equals to 9 minus 15 is minus 6. So value of y will be minus 6 upon 3, that is minus 2. So our x will be 3 and y will be minus 2. This will be the solution of linear equations. Now we have seen when signs are different, we are going to add. Now suppose the sign of both b1 and b2 are same. So what we have to do is subtract. Now sign of both the variables are same. So we will do a subtraction. We will subtract both the equations. Now when we are subtracting the equation, we have to change the sign, all the sign of second equation. If it is plus, we will make it minus. If it is minus, we will make it plus. Here all the signs are plus, so we will make all the signs as minus. Now let's subtract. 5x minus 2x is 3x plus 3x. Now consider the second sign, not the first one. Plus 3x minus 3x plus 3y minus 3y will be 0 is equals to 9 minus 12 will be minus 3 will be minus 3. 3x is equals to minus 3. So x will be equals to minus 3 upon 3, that is minus 1. Now put the value of x in first equation. X is minus 1 plus 3y is equals to 9. 5 into minus 1 will be minus 5 plus 3y is equals to 9. 3y is equals to 9. Now this minus 5 we will shift over here, that will be plus 5. 9 plus 5 is 14. 3y is equals to 14. So y will be 14 upon 3. Keep it as it is. Now we have seen sums where either a1 is equals to a2 or either b1 is equals to b2. Now here we can see a1 and a2. a1 is 5 and a2 is 1. They are not equal. b1 and b2. b1 is 2 and b2 is 5. They are also not equal. So we cannot apply this. So first we have to convert the equation such that a1 equals to a2 or b1 equals to b2. Now here we can see in second equation x is 1 and in first equation x is constant is 5. So we will multiply the second equation with 5. So 5 into 1 will be 5x. So both a1 and a2 will be equal. So what we are going to do is multiply the equation 1, multiply equation, this is first and this is second. So multiply equation 2 with 5. Okay, we will multiply the whole equation with 5. So that will be 5 into x is 5x plus 5 into 5y will be 25y is equals to 5 4s will be 20. Okay, now this will be our third equation. Now we can see in first equation and in third equation we have a1 is equals to a2, a1 is equals to a2. Now check the signs. a1 and a2 both are plus 5, so same sign, so we are going to do subtract. Now for subtracting the equation, 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3, 5x plus 25y is equals to 20. We have to subtract the equation. Now subtracting, we will change all the signs of the second equation. So that will be minus 5x minus 25y is equals to minus 20. Now plus 5x minus 5x get cancelled, so this will be 0. 2y minus 25y, this will be minus 23y, plus minus will be minus and sign will be of bigger number, that is minus 23y. Minus 20 and minus 23, minus 20 and minus 3 both are negative, we will add both, that is 20 plus 3 23 and sign will be minus. So here minus 23y is equals to minus 23, so y will be equals to 1, y will be equals to 1. So put the value of y in any of the equation. You can put in first, second or either third. I'm going to put in equation 2. Put y is equals to 1 in equation 2. That will be x plus 5, y value is 1 is equals to 4. So x plus 5 is equals to 4, plus 5 will be shifted over there, that will be minus 5. So value of x will be minus 1. So x is minus 1 and y is 1. This will be the solution. Okay, you have to make sure that either a1 or a1 a2 or b1 b2 are equal. For that we can multiply with any of the numbers so that either the constants of x or y will be equal. Now suppose we have over here is 2 and 4 as a1 and a2 and b1 and b2 is 3 and 5. They are not equal. So we will make either a1 or a2 equal or b1 or b2 equal. Now in previous equation we have seen that x constant of x was 1. So we have multiplied it and we got the answer easily. So here it is 2x and 4x. So to make it equal we have to multiply 2 4s is 8. So we have to make both the equation as 8, or here it is 3 and here it is 5. 3 5s is 15. So we have to multiply such that b1 and b2 will be 15. So let's first multiply it by, first multiply equation 1 by 4. Here 4 2s will be 8, and to make it 8 over here multiply 4 2s 8. Okay, so this will be 4 into 2x, 8x plus 4 3s 12y is equal to 9 4s is 36. Next 4 2s 8x plus 5 2s are 10y is equals to 2 into 10 is 20. ठीक है, we got a1 is equals to a2. This is the first way. We can also make b1 is equals to b2 by multiplying equation 1 by 5. So 3 5s will be 15, and multiplying equation second by 3, that will make 5 3s as 15. So this will be 2 into 5x, 2x into 5 will be 10x plus 3y into 5 will be 15y is equals to 9 5s are 45. Now multiply second equation by 3. 4 3s are 12x, 5 3s is 15, y is equals to 10 into 3 will be 30. So over here b1 and b2 are equal. Okay, now continue the same process. Both the signs are equal, both the signs are same, so we will subtract the equation and get the answer. In this equation we can see a1 is 99 and b1 is 101, a2 is 101 and b2 is 99, that is 99. Now if we will go with the second route, that is if we want to make x equal, so we have to multiply this equation by 101 and we have to multiply this equation by 99. So this will be a time consuming and you will get more bigger numbers which make it very complicated. So we will do a shortcut method. We will use a shortcut method. Now what is the shortcut method? Now whenever this type of sum will be there, like a1 and b2 are equal, means you can see a cross is being made, that is a1 and b2 are equal and b1 and a2 are equal. Okay, in such condition you have to do add the equation one time and subtract the equation one time. You have to add the equation one time and subtract the equation one time. Now what we will do is first we will add the equation. So add equation 1 and 2. This is equation 1 and this is 2. Now adding the equation, 99x plus 101x will be 200x plus 101y plus 99y will be 200y is equals to 499 plus 501 will be 1000. Now we can see we can divide whole equation by 200. So this will become x plus y is equals to 1000 divided by 200 will be 5. So this is the simplest form of the equation. Now we're going to subtract the equation 1 and 2. While subtracting we have to change the signs for the second equation. So this will be minus minus minus. So this will be 99x minus 101x, that will be minus 2x, 10y minus 99y, that will be plus 2y is equals to 499 minus 501 will be minus 2. So we will divide the equation by 2, that will be minus x plus y is equals to minus 1. So this is our third equation and this is our fourth. Now these both equations are in simplest form. We can see here a1 and a2 are equal, even their signs are different. So we can directly add equation 3 and 4. We will get x minus x will get cancelled, y plus y will be 2y, 5 plus minus 1, that will be 5 minus 1 is 4. So 2y is equals to y is equals to 4. So y will be 4 upon 2, that is y will be equals to 2 ones are 2 2s are is 4. So y will be 4. We can put this y equals to 2 in any of the equation. Suppose I have put the y is equals to 2 in equation 3. So that will be x plus y is 2 is equals to 5. So x is equals to plus 2 will be shifted over there, that will be minus 2. So x will equals to 3. So we got the answer as 3 comma minus 3 comma plus 2. 3 and 2. This is the solution for linear equation. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.